Welcome home, my dear.
We've missed you so much.
I missed you too. It's magical, Grandpa!
Welcome home, my dear.
We've missed you.
I'm so happy to be here.
You're doing a wonderful job, dear,
Thank you, Grandma. I love helping.
and you make it so joyful.
These tomatoes look perfect, Grandma.
They do. Your help makes it so special.
I love doing this. It's delicious.
I'm so glad, dear.
It really is wonderful.